Ruiz, I study Mechatronic engineering, and today I will talk about the Mechatronic systems, the braking mechanisms. With the evolution of technology, the construction and geometry of the piston, together with materials from which it's made, as well as the related manufacturing technologies, have been continuously improved. All this improvement to motor vehicles have led to a proportional decrease in native braking capacity. Moreover, this decrease is evident in tonnage vehicles, which are disadvantaged in terms of the small contact area of the friction in elements in conventional braking system. In the second half of the 19th century, the automobile was created. It was designed and built by a group of engineers of that time, revolutionizing transportation and concentrating the most significant scientific and engineering efforts to continually improve its performance. Consequently, one of the most important systems to create in that time was the braking system. It is the main system that intervenes between two energy states of a moving vehicle by modifying the parameters of the initial energy state. It must convert kinetic energy into caloric energy and dissipate this heat as quick as possible. But nowadays, more and more mechatronic systems for engine management like ABS, ESP, active suspension, etc. have earned their place in the construction of smaller cars, so that in the end, the whole car can become one of the most representative mechatronic systems. Lately, car manufacturers have placed a special emphasis on active safety systems like ABS, anti-block gear system. However, for a significant number of drivers, the ABS improves braking distance in various conditions. The recommended technique for drivers in an ABS-equipped car in an emergency is to depress the brake pedal to the border and bypass any obstacles. In such situations, the ABS will significantly reduce the chances of skidding and lose control, especially for heavy machinery. Once activated, the ABS will cause the pedal to pulsate. Some drivers, feeling this effect, reduce the pressure on the pedal and thus increase the braking distance. This helps to increase the number of accidents. So, for this reason, some manufacturers have implemented brake assistance systems that maintain the braking force in emergency situations. On the other hand, we have the main components of ABS systems, which are four. First is the speed sensors, which are used to calculate the acceleration and deceleration of the wheel. Secondly, the valve. Each ABS control brake line has a valve. In some systems, the valve operates in three positions: to remain open, to lock the line, and release the brake pressure. The pump is another component of the ABS system, which is used to restore pressure to the hydraulic brakes after the valve releases the pressure. Finally, the controller. The controller used in the ABS system is of the EQ type. Its main function is to receive information from each individual speed sensor of the wheel, and if a wheel loses traction with the ground, a signal is sent to the controller that limits the braking force and activates the ABS modulator. Thereupon, since 2010, all new cars are equipped from production with ABS. According to statistics, if all the cars in the European car park had been equipped with this system, about 1,100 of the pedestrians involved in road accidents each year would have had their lives saved. So the next step in a vast European road safety improvement program aims to introduce the standard electronic stability control system starting in 2012. This system has been used especially by Bosch. Since the start of series production, Bosch has continually expanded the potential of ESP, which now allows the integration of new safety and convenience features. As we said, the technical name of the system is ESP, meaning Electronic Stability Program, a name that suggests its usefulness quite well. However, The fact that most such systems installed on cars are manufactured by Bosch has led to its popularization under the name ESP, which the car electronics manufacturer has established since 1987, when it began developing with Mercedes-Benz. Nowadays, there are new technologies for braking system, highlighting two mainly: brake-by-wire and electromechanical braking. And as we know now, braking with the help of the engine brake is achieved in a much shorter time and achieved increased braking safety when necessary. It being all the more efficient as the experience, skill, and physiological condition of the driver. They are better. Car braking systems have evolved significantly in recent years, and it will be improved. This development will continue and even accelerate in the years to come. Wheel brake optimization will continue in the field of noise and vibration, residual torque, and wear. Increasing performance and reducing cost in the field of electronics already allow the widespread of ESP systems or the brake-by-wire system. Associated, more evolved functions will follow. Is it possible for the brakes to become full electric tomorrow?